by Tonya. Today I'm going to be working on some more of the fall decor. In this project we're going to need 4 of the smaller size crate boxes from Dollar Tree, and this one is a little bit larger. You can tell the difference. Now it really doesn't matter as long as you have 5 boxes, because for this project we're going to be gluing 2 of the boxes, which it will actually be 4 of the crates, together like this, and then the next box will just set by itself. Now I went ahead and saved some of these pumpkin stems, and these are the real pumpkin stems. Now you could use the little wood pieces from Dollar Tree if you don't have this. You could make a pumpkin stem out of a paper towel holder, and what you would want to do is just kind of fold it and crinkle it a little and wrap it in rope twine. If you'd like to see a video on what I can do with the little paper towel holders, just drop that in the comments below. And now we're going to need the antique wax chalk paint for the painting the boxes, and a couple of these little tea lit candles, and they have these at Dollar Tree if you can find them. I actually found these at Dollar General, and then we're going to use some of the rope twine to tie around the top. Well, I think that's all we're going to need for this project. Let's go ahead and get started.